up in 2025 and realizing your money is making you money, even while you sleep. No more hustling 9 to 5, no more stressing over bills, no more trading time for money. Instead, your investments are working for you. But here's the reality check. Most people will miss out. Because while the rich are quietly stacking crypto rewards, the uninformed are stuck wondering why their bank savings earn them a pathetic 0.01% interest. Let me ask you something. Have you ever checked your savings account and thought, why is my money just sitting there doing nothing? If so, stick around. Because today, I'm revealing how you can turn your crypto into a passive income machine with staking, one of the most powerful wealth-building strategies of 2025. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. The solution: 5 steps to crypto staking success. 1. What is crypto staking, and why banks fear it? Let's break it down. Staking is like putting your money to work in a high-yield savings account, but for crypto. Instead of letting your tokens sit idle, you lock them into a blockchain network to help validate transactions, and in return, you get paid. Think of it as earning dividends, but in crypto. Here's the kicker. While banks give you 0.01% interest, some staking coins offer 5%, 10%, even 20% APY or more, completely passively. And the best part? You don't need to be a trader or a tech genius. Just stake, sit back, and watch your rewards roll in. Wouldn't it be nice if your job paid you while you did nothing? Well, staking is the closest thing to that. 2. The best crypto for staking in 2025. Alright, now you're probably wondering, which coins should I stake? Well, not all cryptos are created equal. Top staking cryptos for 2025: Ethereum, ETH, the king of staking after its full transition to proof of stake. Solana, SOL, high-speed blockchain with strong staking rewards. Polkadot, DOT, pays out 14% APY on some platforms. Avalanche, AVAX, great long-term staking potential. Cosmos, Atom, offers high staking yields with solid fundamentals. But before you go all in, there's one huge mistake that can wipe out your staking rewards. 3. The number one mistake new stakers make. You know what's worse than not staking? Staking the wrong way. Many beginners make the critical mistake of staking on sketchy platforms or locking up their funds for too long, only to get hit with insane fees or lose access when prices pump. Solution? Use trusted platforms like Ledger Live for security, Kraken for flexible staking, Lido for liquid staking. Remember, the goal is passive income, not headaches. Staking without research is like blindfolding yourself and throwing your money into a wishing well. Hope is not a strategy. 4. How much can you earn? The math behind passive income. Let's talk real numbers. If you stake $1,000 in Ethereum with a 5% APY, you'll earn $50 per year. Not bad. But if you stake $10,000 in Polkadot at 14% APY, you'd be making $1,400 per year, passively. Now, imagine reinvesting those rewards. Compounding kicks in, and your wealth snowballs. And here's where it gets crazy. What if I told you there's a way to 10x your staking rewards without investing a single extra dollar? 5. How to maximize staking rewards. The secret: auto compounding. Instead of cashing out rewards, reinvest them. Many staking platforms automatically reinvest, boosting your earnings exponentially. It's like planting a money tree and watching it grow without lifting a finger. Pro tip: use liquid staking platforms like Lido or Rocket Pool to earn rewards while still keeping your funds accessible. This way, you get the best of both worlds: high yields and flexibility. If you started staking just $5 a day in 2025, You could retire a millionaire. Let that sink in. The reward. The life you can build now. Imagine your future. A life where your money works for you instead of you working for money. Where your investments grow, your income is automated, and your financial future is secure. No more stressing over bills. No more paycheck-to-paycheck living. Just smart, passive income flowing in, month after month. And the best part? You don't need to be rich to start. Just take action today. But before you go all in on staking, there's one last thing you need to know. Your biggest enemy? Financial mistakes. If you make the wrong moves, staking won't save you. That's why you need to watch my next video. 5 financial mistakes in your 20s, so you don't wreck your future before it even begins. Click here now. Trust me, you don't want to learn these lessons the hard way.